Hey guys, it's me again, Tarsha. Welcome back to our channel. I just want to share with you, magluto tayo ngayon ng spare ribs with vegetable. Of course, garlic, onions, bay leaves, carrots, capsicum or bell pepper, and cabbage. And minarinate ko na yung spare ribs. See you in a bit! Magluto na tayo. Garlic oil, of course. Konti lang siya. And then the garlic. Ilagay na natin yung onion. Ilagay na natin yung spare ribs. Binlance ko na siya ng vinegar. Napakadali lang yung lutuin din ito dahil yung baboy ay madaling lumambot. Mas maraming black pepper, mas masarap. Ipasta lang natin konti yung ribs. Sa brown lang natin. Just brown it a little bit. Kailangan pang i-brown konti. So, I'm adding sweaty annatto seeds. Nasa sa inyo yun kung gusto nyo lagyan ito. Ako ay version pa lang to. Ilagay na natin yung pinag-marinate natin. Yan. I just add another 1 cup of water. Just add the bay leaves. Takpan lang natin. I-simmer ito ng medium-low ng 35 minutes. See you in a bit. So we just add the carrots. Ayan. And then, halo lang natin siya dyan. And then, the cabbage. Yan. Tapos, lagay ko na yung bell pepper. Haluin natin siya mamaya. Just put the lid for 3 minutes. Ayan, i-mix na natin. May konti pa siyang sabaw. Mas masarap. Diba yung may konting sabaw. Ayan. Kasi ayaw ko ng overcook na vegetable. Kaya, ayun. Mas masarap pag may crunchy pa konti yung gulay. Luto na yung spare ribs natin with vegetable. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.